How to change language on Amazon shopping application. Are guys facing issue to change language on Amazon shopping app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of the screen where you can see this flag icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for language. You are looking to change language, right? Just tap on it. After you click on it, you will be provided with multiple languages over here. Just select it according to your preference. If you want to change it to Spanish, tap on Spanish and hit the down button. So as you guys can see, our app language has been instantly changed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Amazon app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you.